compound assignment with the augmented multiplication. So it seems like all these operations, if you put the equal sign after it, you can use this set of logic for it. So I'm assuming the next one will be divide. The star, I even forgot what that word is. So the star equals operator multiplies a variable by a number. My var equals my var times basically 5. Multiply my var by 5. Yeah, this can be written as my var. Yes. Okay, yeah, so you're doing a similar thing. So A equals 5, B equals 12, C equals 4.6. So he wants you to change it so that you can write this in like shorthand. Put the star, multiply sign I should say, for each one of these. Oops. Get rid of the letter. So basically doing A is now equal to, when you're rereading it, or you're putting it in shorthand form, you're saying A is equal to A times 5, which is 5 times 5. B is equal to B times 3, which is 12 times 3. C is equal to C times 10, which is 4.6 times 10. Complete.